Ibotta support response time depends on the type of issue you submit and the details included in your support request. By the end, you'll know what affects Ibotta support replies, how to submit a ticket that is easier to review, and what steps to take while waiting for an update. Section 1 is understanding how Ibotta support requests work. When you contact Ibotta support, the team needs information about your account and the problem you're experiencing. A request with missing details can make it harder to identify what happened. If your issue involves a missing cashback offer, an incorrect receipt scan, a payment question, or an account problem, explain the situation clearly. Include the offer name, store information, receipt details, and any screenshots that help show the issue. The more complete your request is, the easier it is for support to understand what needs to be checked. Section 2 is what can affect how quickly your request is reviewed. Different support issues require different types of investigation. A basic question may need less information than a problem involving cashback, receipts, or account activity. Before submitting another request, check whether you already have an open support conversation. Sending multiple requests for the same issue can separate important details across different messages. Keep your communication in one support thread whenever possible. This keeps the history of your issue together and makes it easier to follow. Section 3 is what to check while waiting for Ibotta support date. First, review your original message and confirm that you included the important details. If you forgot information, you can add it to the existing conversation instead of creating a separate request. Next, check your Ibotta account. Review your cashback activity, receipt history, and any related offer information connected to the problem. If the issue involves a receipt, make sure the image is clear and that the required information can be seen. A readable receipt gives support the information needed to review the situation. If you need to follow up, reply through the same support channel where you started the request. Keeping everything connected helps avoid repeating the same explanation. The main points are simple. Ibotta support response time depends on the issue type and the information provided. A detailed request with the right details can make the review process smoother. Your next step is to check your current support request, add any missing information, and monitor the same support channel for updates. If this guide helped you understand Ibotta support response times, like the video, and subscribe for more rewards app guides.